Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting the week of 14th Feb. Before I go ahead with the video, a very happy Valentine's Day to all of you out there. While I shuffle the cards, please note the top row is always for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you want. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do this video for. And while I'm shuffling the cards, please note tarot should always be used as a guide, so only take what resonates, leave the rest. Now, what I see for you here this week, Pisces, is you have the Queen of Swords, the Sun card, and the Two of Cups. Your person has the Death card, the Empress, and the Knight of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I have the Magician card, which is Major Arcana. So either you or your person is in this energy where they want to go ahead and command all the four elements of this universe to go ahead and work in their favor. So what I see for you here, Pisces, is you have the Queen of Swords energy this week. Okay, now when a person is in the Queen of Swords energy, they expect only the truth and nothing else but the truth. So anybody who's coming towards you, if this person is coming towards you, you expect them to tell you the truth and only the truth and have a very honest conversation with you. Now the good thing that I see is post this conversation will be done, okay, when they come towards you. After that I have the Sun card with the Two of Cups. So it will go ahead and throw light on things maybe which are still hidden, things that you don't know currently, but once you get to know and that misunderstanding is cleared, you will go ahead and get the Two of Cups. And that is a very positive, a very nice card to get, because Two of Cups means a mutual love and affection between two people. So that's a very positive thing that I see that's going to happen this particular week. Now your person has the Death card, which is a Major Arcana, along with the Empress. So this person will go through some transformation, and post the transformation I see this person will move towards the Empress energy where they are very abundant. Please note Empress is above all the queens. So this person, irrespective of the gender, will go ahead and be in that energy where they'll have all the qualities of all the queens. And this person will go ahead and do things which that you will not get from anybody else. Okay, so that's a very positive thing. Now, eventually after this person moves towards the Empress energy, I also see the Knight of Cups. So there could be a situation or a time in this particular week where this person will rush in to express their love towards you. So you can expect maybe some phone calls or some messages, and that's a very positive thing that I see for you this particular week that's happening. Okay, now let's also see what is the intention of this person for you. Let's go ahead and take one card here. Spirit, can I get one card to understand what is the intention of this person? Can I get one card here please to understand what is the intention of this person for this particular week? Okay, now the intention here is the Moon card. So if you know, the Moon card is when something is hidden. Okay, either it's from your end or from this person's end, that there's something deceptive, something hidden, some information that you are not aware of. Okay, and this person wants to go ahead and let you know what is the intention, okay, on what is the facts or the information that you currently are unaware of. So let's take one more card to clarify why we have the Moon as the intention of this person. Spirit, can I get one card here? Can I get one card to understand why we have Moon as the intention of this person? Can I take one card? Okay. Now there is a Tower which is coming in. So post this information is revealed. Okay, anything which is built on a faulty ground, that will be shaken and broken, because when the Tower hits, one, it comes unexpected. You are not going to expect this coming, so it will come in all of a sudden and it will break everything which was built on faulty ground, so that you can start and rebuild, okay, on a very solid foundation. So that's a very good thing that happens. Okay, once everything is cleared, you start fresh and you build on a very solid foundation. Let's take one more card to understand why these cards are the intention for this particular week. Okay, I also see the King of Cups. Now this person is having a lot of love for you. However, the only problem with the King of Cups is this person doesn't go ahead and express their feelings. Okay, this person has a lot of love, but their love language is different. So and most of the times they hold that love and emotion within themselves. So you might want to go ahead and be a little patient with this person, because it could be that you love to go ahead and express things, but this person doesn't. So everybody's way of expressing things is different in life, and we have to accept that. Okay, now let's also take one card here to understand what's the message from archangels for you, and we'll also take a crystal that can help you in this situation. So let's take one card here. Alright, the crystal that I see for you is the magenta dyed agate, and the message for you is from Archangel Zadkiel, which I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. The crystal message is, are you seeking unconditional love? You really want others to demonstrate the love they have for you? Show your love to others and know you are well loved by many. Allow love be as receptible for all that is love. Love is your natural state. So that's the crystal message that I see for you here. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe. Please hit that bell notification. Until next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.